So, you're looking at a toolbox for your truck bed. You see toolboxes priced from a couple $100 to over $1,000. Well, what's the difference, and is the added price worth it? That depends. I'm Cody from Northwest family-owned Titan Truck. For over 35 years, we've helped our customers get the right gear for their vehicles. Our team has sold and installed thousands of toolboxes. So here's what you need to know about the new Crossbox toolboxes from WeatherGuard. These boxes offer several improved features over the previous design while maintaining the durability that WeatherGuard is famous for. But spoiler alert, these boxes aren't for everyone. I'll touch more on that in a second. If you're looking for the least expensive box to get you by for a few months, this flagship WeatherGuard box isn't for you. That's not a knock. We all buy things that we only need to last a little while, so we don't want to sink too much money into them. WeatherGuard toolboxes are a contractor grade toolbox built to last years, even with heavy usage. Now, full disclaimer here, Titan Truck is one of the nation's largest WeatherGuard stocking dealers. However, we also sell a number of other brands as well, each filling a different need. As for the redesigned WeatherGuard truck bed toolboxes, there are a number of features that stand out, including some new remote, lighting, and lock features that are pretty cool. First though, let's talk about the box's strength. WeatherGuard aluminum saddle boxes are built to bend less and support more weight than other boxes. Okay, so what does that even mean? These boxes are built with steel cross supports, which makes the box more rigid and reduces flex. But why does that even matter? When cornering or driving over rough terrain, stress is applied to your box. A box that flexes more will put more stress on the welds, possibly causing them to fail. By making their box more rigid and with less flex, WeatherGuard significantly reduces this potential problem. Also, less flex helps maintain the lid's weather seal, which keeps your tools dry. Nobody likes soggy tools. And something not often thought about, a more rigid lid can be closed from either end. For instance, if you're closing the lid from the driver's side, the passenger side lid will latch as well. Combining this rigidity with WeatherGuard's smooth latch system makes opening and closing the lid much easier. A strong lid also bows less, helping maintain that seal. Speaking of the lid, you'll notice that the new design has a more streamlined look. That doesn't really affect strength, but as a side note, I do like the new look. But back to performance. Okay, so when we're talking about the seal, it's important to note that WeatherGuard seals the entire perimeter of the lid opening with a true weather seal, not cheap stuff that's mostly for looks. It's designed to keep moisture out and to last. Alright, but what about the locks? For years, WeatherGuard's push-button locking systems have been considered the best locks on any truck bed toolbox. But one of the drawbacks was that you had to have a key for each lock. So if you're a contractor with 2 side boxes and a saddle box on your truck, you needed 3 keys. Or if you had a fleet of trucks, they were all keyed separately. The new push-button lock can code multiple boxes on a truck or an entire fleet. One key simplicity. So at Titan, we recommend buying 3 toolboxes, keying them all the same, and gifting them to your friends who own more tools than you. This way you can borrow them anytime you want. Okay, not really. Or maybe. Now, the design of the push-button lock is tamper-resistant, and WeatherGuard made some engineering changes to the system, and they claim it's even more secure than before. Personally, I haven't tested that with a hammer or screwdriver yet. Can I? Alright, one of the issues we all run up against is keeping our tools charged. Each WeatherGuard saddle box has 12-volt access for power sync accessibility. This allows you to charge tools on the job or even between jobs as you drive. This also sets the stage nicely for optional LED lighting so you can quickly find your tools at night. This also allows for optional remote keyless entry. How cool is that? Unlock and open your toolbox from your key fob? Now let's talk about your truck bed's space. Can you haul lumber or sheetrock with a toolbox in your bed? WeatherGuard saddle boxes allow for more clearance between the bed of your truck and the bottom of the toolbox, allowing you to haul more long items. And when it comes to hauling, oftentimes you're going to want to tie things down. The enhanced tie-down buckles offer larger clearance for one or multiple straps. And last but not least, we all know aluminum resists the elements. WeatherGuard's patented armor-tough clear powder coat system makes these boxes last even longer. If you're concerned with looks, the boxes are available in black or aluminum finish. Depending on the size of your box, these can come in priced between $600 and just over $1,000 bucks. So are they worth it? Well, that depends. As I mentioned before, if you're looking for a disposable type box at the lowest price possible, this definitely isn't the box for you. If you're looking for a box that is built to last, keeps your tools dry, is highly secure, and offers added power, lighting, and remote access features, the WeatherGuard Saddle Box is a great option. If you have questions about these boxes or any other tool boxes, leave us a comment down below or reach out to us using the information on the screen. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruck Spokane. I'm Cody, and I'll see you next time.